Okay, so my plan to make eggplant lasagna was kind of deep six tonight because eggplant's all brown already. We just bought it today. Don't worry though. Instead you have a quick handheld video. Here's the lasagna, not quite done putting together. We got green beans, ricotta, pasta obviously, canned tomatoes. We're gonna put on this some garlic flavored olive oil. One more layer of stuff, stick it in the oven. 350 or 375 for maybe 45 minutes. Dip these in water, soften them up a tiny bit. They're pre-cooked, but the water helps them cook a little bit. Top layer is kind of important to try to get stuff spread out. Bottom layer is not so much. This is going to be a messy lasagna. I haven't made much effort to keep stuff organized. Parmesan cheese on top, Parmesan, and something else, a blend. One more thing, garlic olive oil, almost forgot. Alright, dinner's ready. It looks great. It smells amazing. Let's eat it. Perfect.